Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Budget Meal Friday, where we cook delicious meals that don't break the bank. Today we're going to make an easy chicken Parmesan bake. We're going to take 3 chicken breasts. We're going to cut them in half. We're going to take a 9x13 pan. We're going to put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the bottom of the pan. And we're going to take about a tablespoon of minced garlic. I'm using garlic. And we're going to sprinkle that on the bottom of the pan. We're going to take our chicken breast halves and lay them on the bottom of this pan. We're going to pour about 2 cups of marinara sauce over the chicken breast. Take a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, or as much as you want, depending on your taste, and sprinkle that over the marinara sauce. I like spicy, so I went a little overboard. Take some Parmesan cheese and take about a 1/4 cup over your chicken. 8 ounces of mozzarella. We're going to take half of the mozzarella, and put it all over the chicken. You're going to take a 5-ounce bag of croutons. And spread it over the chicken. About a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan. Sprinkle it all over. And then the rest of the mozzarella. Now bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees, 35 minutes to 1 hour, depending on how thick your chicken is, or until the chicken reaches 165 degrees. And now after an hour, it's time to dig in. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. It's really good. Quick and easy, and it costs $21 to make, and it'll feed 6 people. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.